Some big news coming in. Sushant's ex-manager Samuel Miranda reaches the CBI office, the CBI SIT office for fresh round of questioning. Samuel Miranda yet again arrives at the CBI office. Pankaj Upadhyay joining us live for more details on this. Pankaj, Samuel Miranda, Sushant's ex-house manager, reaches the CBI SIT office. Another round of questioning for him. Several inconsistencies reported from their statements is what we hear initially. What more do we know about the CBI asking Samuel Miranda on the drugs angle as well, which has been found? 17,000 worth of weed, the Enforcement Directorate has said that Samuel Miranda has purchased along with Rhea Chakravarti.
Yeah, that's right. So just a few moments back, Samuel Miranda, the house help of the late actor, has just arrived at the DRDO facility here. And around 7 to 8 CBI officials have also entered the DRDO facility. So Nabila, it looks that in all likelihood that even today, all the prime witnesses will be called in for questioning. But as the sources were saying, that as part of the procedure of the Central Bureau of Investigation, first of all, it's Rhea Chakravarti who will be questioned alone by the CBI officials, and once a statement has been taken on that front, in all likelihood, then all the prime witnesses or some of them will be made to sit in front of Rhea Chakravarti, and then again the CBI officials would want to see whether there are any contradictions that are appearing in their statements. Already the CBI is in the process of analyzing the statements that have been given by the prime witnesses, but we have seen over the past 1 week how the prime witnesses, which include Neeraj, Siddharth Pithani, Dipesh Sawant and Keshav, they have been called in again and again by the CBI officials. As you rightly pointed out, over the past couple of days, the CBI sources had said that there had been some contradictions that had appeared in their statement. So in order to verify and get a deeper know-how, the CBI officials have called them again and again. Yesterday too, we saw how Siddharth Pithani, the former flatmate and the creative content manager, was not just grilled here at the DRDO facility, but after that Siddharth Pithani for the first time was taken to the CBI Mumbai office as well at Bandra Kurla complex, and there he was questioned separately by the CBI officials for nearly 5 to 6 hours. Now sources are saying that there are certain contradictions that have come in Siddharth Pithani's version as well. Now CBI of course is tight-lipped at this point of time and they are not revealing much, but this is interesting. This is a very interesting development that we noticed yesterday after being grilled here at the DRDO.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.